Africa. Dude, Gaming Pizza Boy, thanks for the raid. Also, Perry2F5L, thanks for the follow. Thank you. How could they not have a... How could they just... I just don't get it. Why would they do this? Hey, Juice, I'll go start our stream. It's going pretty good. Are you gonna enter the raffle? Are you gonna enter the raffle? Okay, well, we laid the colors down. This is Frey. Everyone say hi to Frey. Frey, say hi to everyone. Frey likes long walks on the beach. And he likes to stream. And he likes to talk about weird shit sometimes. Hi, everyone. Hello, everyone. Okay, that's... Hi, Azure. It's not that weird. One time I was on your stream and well, I was on your stream. I was like watching your stream and you were talking to Cody and you said something. You said you told him to go check his poopy diapers or something. And I was like, wow. Wow. I'm not weird, I promise. Exposed. Dude, thank you. I'm a chubby guy. Thanks for the 1,000 biddies. You can blame Cody for that one. Why? You were the one that said it. Okay, this might need to be like one of those paintings that I sort of need to like go to bed and then wake up and look at it again, because dude, there's something wrong with it, but I don't know what. There's something that I don't like about it. Impressive. Dude, thanks for the 1,000 biddies, guys. Alright, guys, you only have 1 hour and 8 minutes left until the raffle, okay? I hope you guys are ready. I think it's... If I think about it, I think it's like the chest here that's like really making me think about stuff.